Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming essentials and taking the first quick actions. Check that Messenger is updated and your phone OS isn't pending a reboot. Updates often restore broken notification hooks. Once done, verify Wi-Fi or mobile data and log into the right account so messages actually route to your device. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode is off. These block alerts before app settings do. This immediate triage saves time and rules out the simplest causes. Now you'll change app and system settings that commonly suppress notifications. Open Settings Right Arrow App's Right Arrow Messenger, then enable notifications, sound, and lock screen visibility. This ensures alerts are permitted and visible. Next, allow background data and exclude Messenger from battery optimization so the OS won't suspend it. Finally, set high priority or pop-up notifications where available. This forces banners. These steps address how the phone manages processes. Finish by restarting your device to apply changes, then send a test message or ask a friend to confirm alerts. If notifications still don't appear, reinstall Messenger to reset corrupted app data. This often resolves persistent issues. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and, if needed, log into your account on another device to isolate whether the problem is device-specific. If that shows notifications work elsewhere, focus on device settings or a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.